Hey everybody, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to clean up your left hand if you're trying to get more precise with your blast beats. This video will include a couple exercises that you can download in the description below as a PDF file, and feel free to play along with those at your discretion. If you're new to this channel, my name's Cameron and I create funny drum covers, drum lesson videos, and drum cover videos. If you already haven't, please hit that notification bell and smash the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. We're going to go over 2 exercises in strengthening your left hand. Now I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks and some advice too along the way. Mind you, these exercises are very basic, but they are a little tough to do at slower speeds, and I highly advise you to do that first before trying to blast your way through some slop. Alright, let's get to the first exercise and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Today's lesson is on tightening up that pesky weak hand, which is usually the left hand. If you're a right-handed drummer. If you're a left-handed drummer, it's going to be your right hand. So let's get right into the exercise. This first exercise is split up between your left hand and your right foot, and it's played as 8th notes. Now you're going to play and lead with your right foot on the kick drum, and then hit the snare drum on the and of each beat. So you're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go over that at 80 BPM, and then secondly, again at 120. I know it might sound counterproductive, but slowing down the BPM and the note rate will highly increase the probability of you not being able to play it as seamless. So if you bring it down to 40 BPM, you're going to open up all that much more time and you'll have that much more room for mistakes. So being able to play at a really slow BPM will help you increase your speed on this. Let's move on to something a little more complicated and advanced for people who thought that was easy. Let's get to it. The exercise is as follows: 3 beats of alternating 16th strokes, and the last beat of that measure is a paradiddle that ends off with 2 rights. So you get a turnaround and you get to work on the opposite hand. Under the 16th notes, you're playing 8th notes, and that's between your right and left foot on your double pedals. Let's get to that exercise and hear how it sounds at 2 speeds, 80 BPM and 120. That was the exercise at 80 BPM. Now here comes the kicker. Try and play it at 120. I myself am struggling with this, so bear with me as I try and power through this. This is really helpful because as it transitions between leading hands, it's going to go opposite to what your feet are playing. So have fun with this one. We shot this at a higher frame rate so you can see exactly what's going on with my hand as I play the diddle to make the inversion into the other hand. Now let's review the footage and you can check it out for yourself. Maybe this will help you, maybe it won't, but I thought I'd include it anyway. Those 2 exercises are available for download in the description below this video. Also, I noticed a lot of you haven't been getting notifications. So if you haven't already, hit the little bell down below this video to get notified for my future videos so you don't miss a thing. As always, thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.